Hey guys, here I'm going to show you the real mistake many people we were doing without knowing. Actually, small YouTubers, this was killing our views without knowing. But today I'm gonna show you how we are going to stop this and why it even killing our views. Okay, you see, if we are uploading, there is three options. There is public, private, and unlisted. And many of us we were choosing public instead of the two remaining. But today I'm going to show you how public was even killing our views without knowing. Okay, why they put those three ways of uploading, submitting our video before after doing all stuffs when you are uploading. Okay, this is why you're supposed to stop choosing public. Okay, if you believe in me, I'm Prince again, Easy Tech here. Just if you are new here, please do subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be coming back to answer your questions and your thoughts that are inside. Okay, if you don't know me, I'm Prince Innocent on Easy Tech. Just relax, let me show you exactly what I came with. Okay, today we are going to see important things and value things that can make us to stop choosing public when we are going to upload a certain video. Okay, here there is a number one reason you shouldn't choose public, instead choose unlisted. Okay, maybe let's say a lot of people they make mistakes when they are uploading their videos. Maybe you forgot to put your title correctly. You forgot to put your hashtags as it needed. You forgot to put many things as then. Okay, if you forgot those all stuffs and then you choose public, the video already goes public and the YouTube algorithm will not recommend your video as needed, because there is some information you forgot to put before you do what you publish it. Okay, to stop those stuffs, those many things, you have to choose unlisted. Okay, your video will be just under of your control to correct your all of mistakes you have made. Okay, go and check. You will go back and check your things if they are correctly, if your thumbnail you have put, if your hashtags are correct, if your descriptions are there and correct. Okay, here it's when you get it's when you get enough time to check those all stuffs before it's going to be public. Okay, and when you finish those all things, you find that everything is sorted. You will be just wait for a couple of time, just YouTube to check if your video is correct, there is no issue. Okay, let's say when you are uploading a video, okay, YouTube will tell you that we are checking some information. Okay, copyrights and etc. And when it's after like 20 minutes, they will tell you that checking is completed. And that one is not enough. There is, when you use some items that is not yours, or there is information that can make your video get restricted. Okay, YouTube can never stop checking on your videos. It may take up to 10 hours while it's checking your video if it is correct to be on YouTube as yours. Okay, this will be uh, will will be getting a notification later after even going on another people, and your video will get restricted from YouTube because you were lied by itself that your video has no copyright or restricted. But at this moment, YouTube uh, will keep reviewing your video if there is no any restriction or copyright in your video. Okay, that's why we normally choose for unlisted to keep those things safe from our YouTube channel and our videos. Okay, that is the number one thing you must avoid after you must choose uh, unlisted instead of public. Okay, the next thing you should know about unlisted and public is this one. Okay, you see, when you are uploading a video, okay, when we are uploading a video, okay, never choose public because it will kill your views. Okay, in this way, when we choose public, our video goes to public and YouTube algorithm starts getting it, recommending it to people that need it to watch it. Okay, to the right people that want to watch it. Okay, but when we actually select public, okay, recently select public, YouTube, it will be like we are harassing it, and it will take it wherever it wants because it doesn't get time to review your content type or your niche. Okay, and it's going to take it to the wrong destination, and if those people it took to, they are going to click on it and see that this video is not for me, and they are going to leave it. Even they are not going to click it, other people, they are going to click it and leave it for the first minute of the video. That one will actually kill your videos because YouTube algorithm will understand that your YouTube, even your video, even it's not getting engagement or it's not getting enough information to be recommended, or it's not interested, and that one will slow down your views and your channel will be go under to the channels that are not even performing well. Okay, that's why you're supposed to stop choosing public, instead choose unlisted. Okay, I don't know if you are getting me clear here. Okay, just I am explaining why we shouldn't choose public, instead we should choose unlisted, so that we can get those things be good. And another things I'm going to tell you is this one. Before uploading your videos, YouTube starts checking, even YouTube starts checking while your video is under uploading. That's why, okay, we must put a title before we upload a video. Okay, like we must write title on the video before we upload it, because if we upload it without a title and put a title after uploading, the under review, okay, YouTube algorithm is going to take the wrong information about your video. Okay, that's why you're supposed to first rename your your video before uploading it, so that it will go with the right information. Okay. Another thing you have to consider before uploading, okay, you must consider if your video has no any mistake on it, because deleting a video on YouTube is a big mistake that small YouTubers are doing in nowadays. Okay, and that is why your videos are not getting views, and you must stop those things. Okay, I think this is clear to the people that there is a video that I talked about that, and you can go and check it in my past videos. Okay, and if you were doing this, you should stop. And why you must rename your video before uploading it? It's because YouTube algorithm needs to get enough information and message from your video, and the first message from your video is the title, and it makes sense. Okay, and if it say you put a fake title on your video while it's uploading, YouTube algorithm will take that information instead of taking the true title of your video, and that's why you must stop this. Okay, I think that is clear about that one. Okay, another thing we must consider before even uploading is make sure you have your thumbnail before choosing public. And if you choose public before putting your thumbnail, that one is even a big mistake, because YouTube algorithm will understand that the second it will take the first information before your thumbnail, and the first people to see your video, they will be like, this is a shit. And that's why we need to be careful on what we are doing. Okay, and if you like this information, make sure you subscribe to this channel, Prince Easy Tech, and like and share your thought in the comment section, so that next time I know what you need to know about this content I'm making. And remember that here on this channel we teach people how to do content creation and how to grow on YouTube, tips and strategy you can use to grow faster as a small YouTuber and be successful on YouTube. And if you are interested, just make sure you go even there on my Instagram page, PG Films, and my Facebook page, PG Films K. And here we go. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Okay, I respect you guys.